The scene begins with the roar of a Ducati engine, fading into a montage of scenic roads, rugged trails, and the sleek silhouette of a Ducati DesertX cutting through them. The camera transitions to a panoramic shot of the motorcycle parked atop a hill, overlooking a breathtaking vista. The atmosphere is adventurous yet refined. The narrator's voice emerges, calm yet imbued with excitement. Every journey begins with a decision, a choice to go further, to explore the unknown, and to seek out the extraordinary. The Ducati DesertX isn't just a motorcycle, it's your ticket to a world without limits. The camera zooms in on the bike's details. The aggressive front end, the dual headlights that give it a futuristic look, and the rugged tires built for off-road mastery. A rider gears up, their Ducati-branded jacket and gloves reflecting the sun's rays. Designed for the adventurer at heart, the DesertX is built to take on any challenge. Its robust frame, paired with advanced engineering, ensures performance in even the harshest conditions. But what truly sets it apart is its ability to combine rugged durability with uncompromising style. The scene shifts to the rider starting the bike. The sound of the Testastretta engine fills the air, a deep, resonant growl that exudes power and capability. The bike takes off, cutting through winding roads with precision and ease. Whether it's the open highway or a narrow dirt trail, the DesertX is designed to adapt. Its versatile performance is matched only by its advanced technology. A digital display, multiple riding modes, and seamless navigation systems put you in control, no matter the terrain. The camera follows the rider through various landscapes, crossing a riverbed, climbing rocky hills, and speeding through a dense forest trail. The transitions are smooth, emphasizing the bike's versatility. With a 937cc Testastretta engine, long travel suspension, and a lightweight yet durable design, the DesertX delivers an unparalleled riding experience. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about how you get there. The scene cuts to the rider stopping at a scenic overlook. They remove their helmet, revealing a satisfied smile as they take in the view. The Ducati DesertX stands proudly beside them, its glossy finish catching the light. This is the essence of Ducati, craftsmanship that elevates every ride into an unforgettable experience. The DesertX is more than a machine, it's an extension of your ambition to explore, to discover, and to push beyond limits. The frame shifts to a nighttime scene. The bike, now illuminated by its powerful LED lights, moves through a quiet desert landscape under a starry sky. The lights cut through the darkness, a symbol of its reliability and strength. From dawn till dusk and beyond, the DesertX is your steadfast companion. Its performance doesn't falter, no matter the time or terrain. Every ride is a testament to Ducati's dedication to innovation and excellence. The camera transitions to a Ducati showroom. The DesertX sits under soft lighting, its rugged build contrasting beautifully with the luxurious surroundings. The showroom's sleek design and illuminated Ducati logo add to the sense of prestige. Built for adventure, designed with precision, backed by a legacy of excellence. The Ducati DesertX is for those who demand more from their journeys, and from themselves. The video concludes with the rider getting back on the bike and riding off into the horizon, leaving a trail of dust and endless possibilities. The Ducati logo appears on the screen with a final message. Ducati DesertX, adventure awaits. Dare to discover. The screen fades to black as the sound of the engine fades into the distance.